here we are, back at Lake Perris. We'll throw the fluke for a little bit. Check this out. See how this goes. The water's still clear. Looks nice. That sucks. Well, there's tons of rocks here, so I might lose this jig, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. Last time we were here, we had a lot of luck with the jig. Threw the jig all day. I haven't fished this portion of the lake in a long time. Big Rock Bay. There's a lot less trees than what I remember it being last time. All right, so here's our second spot. All the way down to the fence. Yeah, the only downfall is kind of getting late to the game. And everybody's probably already been here before me and fished all these spots, so probably just getting all the leftovers. So we look right there. See that movie Gone Fishing? I feel like I'm having one of those moments right now. Stupid frog. Oh my gosh. All right. Whew. First cast in the new spot. There we go. It's gotta be fish here. Man, I'm surprised there's no one really fishing in this area. Oh, yeah! Here we go. Fish on. Let's go. Come on, stay on, stay on. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on, stay on, stay on. Stay on. Oh, you ain't gonna get that fence, homie. Whoa, 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 whoa. A little acrobatics. There we go. First fish on the jig. Yeah. Just a little guy, but I'll take it. Ooh, buddy. Kind of try to run off with it, huh? There we go. Not a bad fish. Yeah. All right. Here we go. And for the win. Oh, he was ready. He was ready. Oh man, I could see him in the water. He's messing with it. He's like right there. Maybe we could catch that fish. Let's see. I'm telling you guys, if you don't have polarized lenses, you gotta get some. Well guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry, it was pretty lame. Only got one fish. I was only here for about an hour. New park rules. Lake Perris open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So gotta get in here quick and get out, I guess. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.